Good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to our online class. Today is 16th Tuesday, 16th February 2021. Yes, children, we were doing with grammar. Hope you all are understanding. And passive voice we'll see today. Active voice means that a sentence has a subject that acts upon its verb. Passive voice means that a subject is recipient of verb's action. Active voice and passive voice. Active voice, I will clean the house every Saturday. Passive voice means what, children? The same words which are reversed in a meaningful way. The house will be cleaned by me every Saturday means passive voice. Active voice, see few examples I'll give you now here. Lata sings lovely songs. Passive voice, lovely songs are sung by Lata. We did not we did not grow rice. Active voice, what about passive voice? Rice was grown by us. What do you want? What is wanted by you? Understood the difference? They will run a race. A race will be run by them. Tom is building a house. A house is being built by Tom. I was writing a letter. A letter was being written by me. Understood the difference? Active voice and passive voice? I hope you all can do it. It's in your homework slide. Someone has stolen my purse. My purse has been stolen by someone. She had finished her homework. She had finished her work. Okay. Sorry, her work had been finished by her. People will admire him. He will be admired by the people. Did no one help you? Were you not helped by anyone? Will she deliver the message? Will the message be delivered by her? Respect your elders. Elders should be respected. The difference is active and passive. Active voice, what happens to in what subject does. Whereas in passive voice, the focus is on the action. Active means Ram killed Ravan. Passive, Ravan was killed by Ram. What about active and passive voice? Active of a verb, voice of a verb tells us that someone or something does the action in a sentence. Passive voice of a verb tells us that someone or something has been done to them. James watered the flowers. The flowers were watered by James. Sarah finished the homework. The homework was finished by Sarah. The puppy chewed the shoe. The shoe was chewed by puppy. The horse, the last one. The horse ate the carrot. The carrot was eaten by horse. Versus passive in present tense. Active form. They speak German in Austria. German is spoken in Austria. Present continuous form. They are planting some trees. Some trees are being planted. Present perfect. Someone has eaten my muffin. My muffin has been eaten. Past simple. They closed the road for a day. The road was closed for a day. Past continuous. He was not feeding his dog. The dog was not being fed. Past perfect. Someone had put out the fire before the fire brigade arrived. The fire had been put out before the fire brigade arrived. Okay? Future simple. This will be fine you for littering. You will be fine for littering. Future will be going to. They are going to raise taxes. Taxes are going to be raised. You can solve the problem. The problem can be solved. Children, passive voice. I read an interesting novel. An interesting novel is read. I am reading an interesting novel. The interesting novel is being read. The cat was chasing the mouse. The mouse was being chased by cat. Is it okay? I read an interesting novel last night. An interesting novel was read last night. Today's homework, children. Raj change into passive voice. Ram kills Rajiv. I read an interesting novel. Send me the homeworks by 6 in the evening. Okay. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.